Today we're going to talk about how to conjugate in the present subjunctive mood. So during class we're going to talk more about what it means to use the subjunctive, but for now we're just going to work on forming and conjugating those verbs. Okay, so to start off, we're going to conjugate in the present tense indicative. So indicative mood is what you've learned before. So we're going to conjugate in the present tense indicative yo. Then we're going to drop the O from the end, right? Because regular verbs in the yo form will end in an O. And then we'll add the opposite endings. So this is just like the commands for AR verbs. We're going to use the ER endings. So we have a, ace, amos, ace. Oops, I don't have my accents on. Amos, ace, and N. Okay. For ER and IR, we'll use the typical AR endings. So a, as, a, amos, ice, and then on. Okay. So just like we talked about with the usted and the ustedes and the negative to commands, those are the endings that we're going to add, opposite endings. Okay. Now we're going to worry about stem changing verbs, and there's different rules for AR and ER verbs and for IR verbs. So for verbs that end in the AR and ER, inside of the boot, the yo, tu, el, ella, usted, ellos, ellas, ustedes, there will be the same stem change as the indicative. Okay. What happens in the nosotros and the vosotros forms? There is no change. Okay, so this AR and ER verbs are going to be just like the present indicative. So remember that encontrar changes O to UE. So we have yo encuentre, tú encuentres, usted, él, ella encuentre. Nosotros is not going to stem change. So we have encontremos. Vosotros also will not change. So encontréis. And then in the ustedes, ellos, ellas, we are going to stem change. Encuentren. Okay. Querer is an E to IE verb. So we're going to have that stem change in everything in the boot, just like the present indicative. So yo quiera, tú quieras, usted, él, ella, quiera. Nosotros, no stem change, queramos. Whoops, queramos. Vosotros, queráis. And then ustedes, ellos, ellas, quieran. Okay, so inside of the boot, we're going to have our normal stem change. Outside of the boot, there is no change for AR and ER verbs. Now, for verbs that end in IR, let's get our verb charts back up here. So for verbs that end in IR, there's going to be the same change as the present tense indicative. Okay, so if it changed E to IE, it's going to keep the same change, O to UE, etc., etc. But in the nosotros and the vosotros form, it's going to be E to I or O to U. Okay, remember we made those stem changes in the preterite tense in the third person. So pedir is typically an E to I verb. So in the yo form, we're going to make the same stem change as the present tense. So P, I, D, and then we add our opposite endings. Yo pida. Tú pidas. Usted, él, ella, pida. Nosotros, we're going to have the E to the I, so pidamos. Vosotros pidáis. And then ustedes, ellos, ellas, pidan. Now, dormir is O to UE, so we'll have that O to UE inside the boot. Yo duerma, tú duermas. Usted, él, ella, duerma. Nosotros, remember we have to change the O to a U, so nosotros is dormamos. Vosotros is the same thing, dormáis. And then ustedes, ellos, ellas, we go back to the UE, duerman. Now we're going to have verbs that end in cargar zar. We're going to have those changed as well. So remember, the C is going to change to a QU, the G to a GU, and the Z to a C. We also have to remember things like spelling change, stem changes, right? So jugar, we have to change first the U to a UE, and then the G to a GU, and then add the opposite ending. So yo juegue. Tú juegues. Usted, él, ella juegue. Now in the nosotros form, since it's an AR verb, the U does not change. Juguemos, sorry. Juguemos. The vosotros, the same thing, the U won't change, so juguéis. Okay. And then the ustedes, ellos, ellas, we do stem change, so juegue, jueguen. Buscar is not a stem changer, so all we have to worry about is changing that C to a QU. Okay, so yo busque. Tú busques. Usted, él, ella busque. Nosotros busquemos. Vosotros busquéis. And then ustedes, ellos, ellas busquen. Almorzar is also a stem changer, so O to UE. It's an AR verb, so inside the boot. So yo almuerce, we have to change the O to UE, and then change the Z to a C. Tú almuerces. Usted, él, ella almuerce. Nosotros, we're not going to change that O, but we do need to change the Z. Almuercemos. Vosotros almuercéis. And then ustedes, ellos, ellas almuercen. Okay. And then finally, we have our irregular verbs. And we know that these are irregular because in the yo form, they don't end in an O. Okay, so we have to change things up. In the yo form, we have yo sea, tú seas, usted, él, ella is sea, nosotros seamos, vosotros seáis. Oop, the accent is on the A, sorry, seáis. And then ustedes, ellos, ellas is sean. For estar, all of these are going to have an accent except for the nosotros form. So we have este, estéis, este, estemos, no accent, estéis, and estén. For saber, we have sepa, sepas, sepa, sepamos, sepáis, and sepan. For dar, we need an accent mark in the yo and the usted, el, ella form. So we have de, des, de with an accent, demos, des, no accent in des, and den. Then we have ear. So for ear, we will have vaya, vayas, vaya, vayamos, vayáis, and vayan. Okay. Now, haber, remember haber in the present indicative is I. There is or there are. In the subjunctive, it will be haya. So haya is there is or there are in the present subjunctive. Okay, so here we have all of the conjugations that you need to know, and we will talk about the uses soon. Please come to class with any questions.